Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will try to discuss, or every time I say I discuss because my English is very bad. So this is not my language. So I'm trying to explain you. This is not discuss. I'm trying to explain you what I think about the influence lines. Influence lines are good lines, but what happens when we have got too much influence lines on the moon mount? First of all, we need to understand that influence lines are those lines which you can find, these lines, which you can find on moon mount rising towards upwards. It's a good sign. It's a good sign like this. This is the moon mount. If you can see one line, two line towards moving upwards, it means these are influence lines that you are influenced with someone. Same lines, if it's dark, little bit dark, then it's a kind of support which you are getting like from someone, some outside support in your life. But sometimes you can find these kind of lines. You can see that these are multiple lines, small lines. These are many lines. These are moving towards the direction towards Jupiter, but it is on the moon mount. So these too much influence lines, what I think about them, this I will try to explain you in this video. Influence lines means that we are influenced from someone, right? If we have one line, two lines, three lines, it means that yes, we want to do something in life. We are influenced with someone. If you ask these person whether I'll not be able to explain you in a proper way or not, because these are the thoughts which I'm trying to explain in a different language. So sometimes it is possible that I cannot explain, but I'll try to speak slowly and try to expand this so that I'll be able to make you understand. These lines means that we are influenced in the young age. We influence with, suppose if we are moving towards the bodybuilding lines, we are influenced with many persons who have done good in bodybuilding. We check their posters in the earlier days, but now we listen to their podcast, we subscribe to their channel, we follow them. Whatever exercise they tell us, whatever lifestyle, what kind of diet they are following, what kind of clothes they are wearing, what kind of schedule they are following, we are trying to follow that. So it is a kind of influence, right? In case of, we want to become an actor, we follow the actors. We want to become a good YouTuber, an influencer, and again influencer means influence, so the live word same comes in. So sometimes we influence with one or two people and we try to make like them. Earlier we used to influence with Bollywood stars, with cricketers, something like that. So we follow them, right? This is kind of influence. When these lines are multiples, it means that we are influenced with everyone except us. Sometimes it gives a kind of insecurity, or I'm not getting the exact word, meanings that I'm the person who have very less capabilities. Some kind of inconfidence, like I don't have confidence, I want to become like this, I want to travel like this, I want to dress like them, I want to be uh, anything, I want to control my family like them, many things. So it means that I'm influencing from everyone. It gives a negative impact on our mind. The moon is our emotions, our mind. Although the mind is a software, the brain is a hardware, the mind is a software. So our software becomes very weak. So it's a kind of, it gives you mood swings, it gives you low mood. And these are the also signs of sometimes uh, what I'm saying, what I uh, like infertility in women's and in males also, infertility in a different way. So if these lines are more than like these lines, then it gives fertility, infertility, confidence, low mood, mood swings, something like that. And it gives you many kind of allergies and some uh, IBS or LBS, some kind of disease in which the poor digestion, we can face. So poor decision not only with these lines, if the brain line moves towards this movement, then it is sure that it is an LBS. So if it's not moving, brain line is not moving, her brain line is also little bit moving. So I'm not saying exactly the LBS, but yes, some health issues regarding to infertility this person is facing. This is the hand which I got from the subscriber from in my mail. So this black spot is also a reason of infertility, but we'll not take only black spot in a consideration. But these influence lines means that yes, there is a problem in the infertility. One more thing. If this portion becomes pulpy, soft, pulpy, you can see someone's hand are a little bit pulpy and loose skin, then it means definitely it's a sign of disturbance in the mind. Very imaginatory and disturbed and low mood and very problem in a confidence this person has. Now I'm telling these problems. Now if anybody asks about the solution is something like that. I generally don't give solutions because I don't know the solutions. If I know the solution, I would have given it that. The best thing which I think, maybe I'll be able to explain you or not, but I'll try. I focus more on problems. I generally tell the problems to the people so that they will try to get the solution by their own. Because the best thing is if you try to get the solution by your own, then you are not actually depending on someone. You became independent and that problem will never hit you in the future. So if this person is influencing very much, then this person should try to follow others. This is the high time that this person should give maximum time to herself or himself. This is the hand of a female. So we can say maximum time to herself. Listen to her mind, that, and always not follow the motivational videos. Sometimes motivational videos give you some temporary fluctuations which will let you like you are depending on that motivational videos. It's a kind of that you need energy, you take a short energy drink like a sugary drink, that it gives you temporary energy. You feel motivated or you feel energetic when you take that motivational skills or energy drink, but after that you fell down. So try to work on these things. Now you have got the problem that you have influence lines, you influence easily from others. You should try to work on your mind. You need to make it stronger by doing physical exercise, which I am doing right now. I used to have not these influence lines. I don't influence much. I don't have influence lines much. But yes, I have a pulpy mound, which gives me some kind of thoughts. Like the thoughts are necessary for me because I'm doing astrology. So I need a strong thoughts and over calculative mind that is useful for my palmistry and astrology. But yes, if I don't do this, I'll be a daydreamer. So this person can be a daydreamer. So she needs to think about that. And if she tries to tries to research on this problem, she will definitely get the answer of that. There is no answer in palmistry or in astrology. There is an answer that she should get practically on that. She should practically work on this problem. That's the thing. So too much English for me. I'll take a leave from you. I'll come with another video. Till then, thank you very much.